Brief overview of the topic of the cosmos and its vastness. The cosmos refers to the entirety of space and all that exists within it, including stars, planets, galaxies, and other celestial bodies. It is vast and constantly expanding, with estimates of the observable universe alone being around 93 billion light-years in diameter. The study of the cosmos, also known as cosmology, is a broad field that encompasses many different areas of science such as astronomy, physics, and chemistry to understand the origin, structure, and evolution of the universe. The vastness of the cosmos highlights the relative insignificance of Earth and humanity within the grand scheme of the universe. It has been expanding and cooling ever since. The theory is supported by several pieces of evidence, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is thought to be the afterglow of the Big Bang, and the observed large-scale structure of the universe, which is consistent with the predictions of the Big Bang. The Solar System. The Solar System is the collection of all celestial bodies that orbit around our Sun. It consists of 8 planets, their moons, and other smaller bodies such as asteroids and comets. The 4 inner planets, also called the terrestrial planets, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are relatively small and rocky planets that are located close to the Sun. The outer planets, also known as the gas giants, are Jupiter, Saturn. The Solar System also has a collection of smaller bodies such as asteroids and comets. Most of them orbit around the Sun in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter or in the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune. Some comets have highly elliptical orbits that bring them close to the Sun, and they can be seen as a bright object with a tail in the night sky. Overall, the Solar System is a fascinating and complex system that scientists continue to study and learn more about. The Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is the galaxy that our solar system belongs to. It is a barred spiral galaxy, which means that it has a central bar and spiral arms that extend out from the bar. The galaxy is thought to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter and has a mass of around 1 trillion solar masses. It is estimated to contain around 100 billion stars and has a supermassive black hole at its center. The Milky Way's structure is divided into several components, including the disk, halo, and bulge. The disk is where most of the stars, gas, and dust are found and is where the spiral arms are located. The halo is a spherical region that surrounds the disk and contains mostly old stars, globular clusters, and dark matter. The bulge is a spherical region that lies at the center of the galaxy and is thought to contain a large number of old stars. The history of the Milky Way is still a topic of ongoing research. However, scientists have been able to piece together some understanding of its past. It is thought that the galaxy formed around 13.6 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. The galaxy continued to grow through the accretion of smaller galaxies and through star formation. The Milky Way is still an active galaxy, with new stars forming in its spiral arms, and it continues to grow through the accretion of smaller galaxies. Overall, the Milky Way is a beautiful and fascinating object that has captured the imagination of people for thousands of years, and with the help of modern technology, scientists are able to study it in greater detail than ever before, providing us with a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Beyond the Milky Way. Beyond the Milky Way, there are billions of other galaxies in the universe. These galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they can be classified into several different types based on their appearance. Some of the most common types include spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. Spiral galaxies, like the Milky Way, have a disk and spiral arms, and a central bulge. Elliptical galaxies have a more round or oval shape and have less gas and dust than spiral galaxies. Irregular galaxies have a more chaotic and random appearance, and they have no clear structure. The discovery and observation of these distant galaxies have been a major focus of astronomy for many decades. One of the earliest discoveries was made by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, who observed that some nebulae were actually distant galaxies, similar to the Milky Way. Since then, telescopes have been developed that have allowed scientists to study galaxies in greater detail. Currently, scientists use telescopes such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope to study the distant galaxies, as well as ground-based telescopes with large mirrors and sophisticated instruments to gather data on their properties such as their luminosity, size, and composition. The study of galaxies beyond the Milky Way has not only provided us with a greater understanding of the universe but also given us a glimpse into the past, as we see these distant galaxies as they were when the light we observe left them, which can be millions or even billions of years ago, cause all matter to collapse back into a singularity. This is similar to the Big Bang but in reverse. Another theory is that the expansion of the universe will continue to accelerate, leading to a big rip, where the galaxies, stars, and even atoms will be torn apart by the expansion. A third theory, known as the steady-state theory, proposes that the universe has no beginning or end and that matter is continuously created to form new stars and galaxies, so the universe will always look the same. A more recent theory is the Big Balance theory, which suggests that the universe goes through an infinite cycle of expansion and contraction, where the contraction leads to another Big Bang, creating another universe. Finally, some cosmologists also propose a multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of many, potentially infinite, universes in a multiverse. Currently, there is no consensus among scientists on the fate of the universe, and more research and data is needed to confirm or refute any of these theories. Conclusion. In conclusion, the cosmos is an incredibly vast and complex place, and our understanding of it still evolving. Through the study of cosmology, scientists have been able to piece together a general understanding of the origin and structure of the universe, from the Big Bang theory to the current state of the universe. We have learned about the solar system, our place in the Milky Way galaxy, and the vast number of other galaxies that exist beyond our own. We have also discussed theories about the ultimate fate of the universe, from the Big Crunch to the Big Rip to the multiverse theory. It is important to understand the cosmos as it provides us with a sense of perspective and allows us to understand our place in the universe. It also helps us to understand the fundamental laws that govern the universe and the origins of life and the universe itself. With the help of modern technology and continued research, we can expect to learn even more about the cosmos in the future.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel.